Hi everybody, today we're going to be doing iPhone 6s repair. This is going to fix either the glass or the LCD. The first thing we're going to do is use our Penelope screwdriver to take out the two Penelope screws. Once you have the screen open, you're going to take out these four screws and the metal plate that's holding the LCD ribbons. Make sure to take out these two screws on the bottom. This is for the battery. If you don't take the battery, there is always a chance of burning the backlight, which would be very hard to do. Go ahead and take out these three flex cables. One is going to be for the LCD, one is going to be for the digitizer, and the other one is the front camera assembly. Now once you have your screen, we're going to separate it from the actual phone. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and take out all of these screws that's holding this metal plate. There should be 3 on either side. Now you're going to take out the bottom screw. Now you're going to go ahead and take the bottom 2 screws out, as well as the plate to hold the home button. You're going to use your finger or a flathead to pry off the home button and go ahead and remove it. There's a side screw on the top. Let's go ahead and take that out. And now we're going to go ahead and take out the top 3 screws that hold that metal plate. Go ahead and take the speaker out. This is the flex cable, so what you're going to do is you're going to gently pry this open. There's a little bit of adhesive, and now we can easily take it off. So now we've successfully disassembled the screen. The only thing we have to do now is reassemble it. All these plastics that we're taking off is completely voluntary. Your new screen should have it. There's 2 adhesives that you're going to go ahead and take out. Now what we're going to do is reassemble everything. Let's put the flex cable in for the front camera. Now we're going to put the speaker in. Go ahead and put the metal plate on top with the 3 screws that we initially took out. Let's go ahead and put that final screw in. Now we're going to put the metal plate back in. Let's put that one screw that was sideways. And now the only thing we have to do is put in those 6 screws that hold on that metal plate. Now after doing that, you're going to put the home button in. Let's put the home button in first, and we'll plug it in. Let's put the metal bracket on top. The metal bracket does have 3 screws. Now upon doing that, all we have to do is put all the flex cables back into the phone. And the only thing you have to do after this is put in the battery plate with the screws. But for the sake of time, we'll just turn it on. There you go.